Bee. Bees are winged insects closely related to wasps and ants. Alligators. An alligator or just gator is a large reptile in the Crocodilia order in the genus. Rabbit. Rabbits are also known as bunnies or bunny rabbit are small mammals. Alligators. An alligator or just gator is a large reptile in the Crocodilia order in the genus. Monkey. Monkey is a common name that may refer to most mammals. Goldfish. The goldfish is a freshwater fish in the family Springidae of the order Springiformes. Allosaurus dinosaur. Allosaurus is an extinct genus of large carnosaurian theropod dinosaur. Bee. Bees are winged insects closely related to wasps and ants.